So we are up this lovely morning before the heat comes out to take off my intake manifold because my STEEDA charge motion control plates are coming. So before they come, I want to take my intake manifold off before it gets hot because it gets stupid hot and I'm trying to beat this heat. Dang, but my eyes, but yeah. So I'm gonna have to show you a little process, so let's get it. So what you want to do to take off your fuel injectors, because they won't come off if you just tug them like they say online. What you need to do is take off your fuel pump relay. Take this mug out, put it to the side, and then try to crank your car up like 3 or 4 times. It's not going to start, but it's relieving the pressure inside of your injectors to release that pressure, so you're able to pull them out and take them out. So we back here at A6 Performance Exhaust because, man, the motherfucking, yeah, these Flow FX, man, they not cutting it, bro. It's too quiet. Yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna get these boys took off because it's too quiet. I'm gonna sell them. And then I'm gonna go with that Boiler Attack. He gonna hook me up with a deal, so that's what I'm going with. But yeah, this sound is too quiet. I'm doing. Don't get me wrong though, they cool for if you just want to cruise around town and have a little grumble, but that's not me. I want my shit loud with a nice little bang to it. So I'm getting these charge motion delete plates coming in, so that's gonna make my exhaust sound a lot better because my intake manifold, them flaps is fucking flapping and making a weird like note sound. So when I get them taken off, they should be coming in this weekend, so I'm gonna make a video on that, but stay tuned. But yeah, so when I put those on and do this upgraded and then you take the mufflers off until I get the Boiler Attacks or Corsa. Still don't know because it's still a lot of money, so I gotta see. But yeah, I gotta get them taken off because it's no bueno at all. Man, I cannot, bro. This straight pot. Yeah, I missed this, bro. Next thing I'm getting got to be the Boiler Attack because it's similar to this sound. So yeah, that's the next move. So it's the next day. Unfortunately, I couldn't finish the video the other day because FedEx, bro, wanted to deliver me an empty box. So I was giving them hell, you feel me? But they eventually end up delivering it today at 2 something, so I can get off in a little bit. So I'm gonna see if I have enough time to squeeze it in. If I have to do it at nighttime, I most likely will. That's why I'm debating on buying this little headset because I don't know where my other little light headset went. So I'm gonna see if I can knock it out today because I want to see how that boy feel. But yeah, stay tuned. So this is how the STEEDA charge motion control delete plates look like. I took the other ones off and broke it off and just put the little thing back on. You don't have to do that. You can get it tuned. I'm eventually gonna get it tuned, but hey, might as well do this until I get that. But I called STEEDA and they said that they didn't need a tune, but I'm not sure if the check engine light is gonna come off because this plugs into a sensor. So if that's not unplugged, then of course it's gonna throw the fault code. So that's why I just throw it on. But this is the engine plate. You do need a T27 Torx bit to take these 2 screws off on the side, and then believe these are 10 millimeters. But yeah, that's about it, guys. Easy install. It do look so much better though. I replaced the gaskets, took them off the old one, put them on here. Boom, bada bing. All right, everything's put back together. The plates down in there looking all nice and sexy. Go ahead and give her a start up. Sounds. All right, Lord, please be on my side. All right, attempt number 2. So, update on the 2 intakes. So you do have to update, but good thing I do have my tuner and it does have a CMCVD delete. So I'm just updating my new tune to the car because I thought I messed up, but I didn't. I just needed to install the tune. So I'm gonna let this tune install and we're gonna try this for the 3rd time because the 2 times the car died on itself. So yeah, I was like, oh shit, I messed something up. So I went in, I looked at everything, but I plugged in everything was back the same. So I just needed a new tune to let the PMC or whatever realize that they're gone. So yeah. Okay, so the tune has finished, so we're gonna follow instructions, you know, turn the key to the off position, like so, turn the vehicle on. Boom. Tune has been programmed successfully, the vehicle tune, okay, so we did that. We're gonna turn on my gauges, yes. Just so I can see what's going on. I already have them pre-custom selected for what I wanted to see. Okay, so let's. Guys, so I got her all pretty running all smoothly, so we about to give her a little test run right now.